Yeah, I mean I say a pleasant night. You see what I say? To all of you out there. You see me? All of my big fans, them respect me and rate me. Me I try to be an artist, you see? Yeah, me might not have the melody like some of them out there. But harder than me, me nah watch that. Me I go and do my thing. Me don't know which one of them I go bust me. You see me? But me I do my thing. And me try to write my thing. Nobody just piece me just make up song. Anything I put out there and it not sound good, me do it back over and put it back out there. You see what I say? I mean that. Anyway, people are one done this. I man, the one done. Let me show you now, me I talk about a little thing named styling. I mean I talk long, you see what I say? Yeah, you have some people them style in so many different ways. You see me? Yeah, even when you spend the money with them style you and them try to go around a certain way for you to get what you spend the money with them for. You see what I say? Even all me, yeah. We go on studio when I got some advice. Me not call no name because nobody know. Yeah, enough I not go say me a pussy, but you know say the man a style me under the choir. And me don't know say him a style me. That's why me hard to go in me hard. You see what I say? I'm going me hard today. Yeah, the 15th of July. That's today. You see me? And I go buy 6 more children when me device already. But him dash off on the computer. You understand? And when me see me price them 6, I see like him do something again. For me not get them and come tell me say something plug out. Styling thing, the brother style me, so watch out now. I don't know what to do now, because right now, me I think a whole heap of thing. But me I show you say, I know me alone I go through them thing. A whole heap of people I go through styling. People not rate you. People walk and chat say you have the fuckery. And yet still you spend the money with them and can't get a thing from them. You see me? And them are bumbuckler pick me. Why these people so fucking wicked? Them have blood clad pick me. And you as a little young man, we are trying to be an artist. That's why you see me make my video them and send out all the while. I know a lot of ghetto youth and man, woman have go through the same thing. Again, the same night of the 15th of July, that is today. Since night, my dear my friend, you sit down. I used to youth call me and I say, yo, where you call me from? I know you. The man I go tell me, say, I forget a gunshot in my blood clot. Hey, just for that alone. And I say, yo, know what you do. Because I make you get back one quick. I see him to me say, I'm not help you now. So I say, I'm post check them. So I say. So I show you say these people, when you never work, these people don't know you. They must see you. And as all of a sudden, God bless you, these people coming on your way like them are, you know, them start to style you and want to take your things and don't want to give you back nothing where you work for. People will dead for that. That's why you see people always blood clot dead, because some people are style people, brother.